Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I received some happy mail from BFF Tina Bean, who is Crafty Bean here on YouTube. So let me start with, what do I want to start with? Let's start with all of the stamps. They are block stamps, and some I knew about and some I didn't. I've already looked, I opened the box with her. So, let me share with you what she sent. So I got these two right here. It says, "Some bunny loves you," and there's a bunny, so cute. So I got those. Then she sent, oh, where's the sentiment for this one that I loved? Okay, we'll just wait until I find it. She sent this one right here. It says, "Hope everything is wonderful in your little corner of the world." I love that. And I like that it's an up and down one. So I don't really have anything like that. So that was unique. This is one of the ones I did not know I was getting. She had bought the whole set, so she sent me this. Look at this scarecrow, he's so cute. And she just made a card with this set, which was absolutely adorable. It was on one of her Saturday morning makes, so you gotta go check that out. Really cute. It's a Stampin' Up set. It's from 1994. So awesome. And some of these I picked out. She let me pick some out. She surprised me with this one. I was so excited. So it's a heart background. Doesn't that look so cool? I love it. So that's nice. Then this one I picked out. Or I said I liked. I didn't know she, oh, I don't know if I knew. Oh, I don't remember. Let me just show it. So it says, "Bath salts, empty contents of sack into a bowl and mix together. Stir 4 tablespoons into a bathtub full of hot water. Relax and enjoy." And let's see, this is Darcy's. So love that one. I like the ones that do like little recipe stuff like that. I think those are so unique. Not that not all of them are unique, but I think they're really cool. I loved this one, so I picked this one out. It's a cross, and this one's by, can I read that? No, I cannot. Maybe one of you know. Maybe one of you knows who that is. Not sure. But I love it. And she sent me this flag. It's a Stampin' Up! 1999. Then I had picked this one out, "Thinking of You." You know I love ocean, nautical stuff. And I had also picked this one out. And this one is by Stamps Happen Inc. And there's that info in case you're looking for it. Okay. And then I got this one here that says "Hi" with little ladybugs and flowers. I thought it was so cute. And here's that one. I don't know, is it? There you go. It keeps blurring on me. There. Okay, and then I got this firecracker. And that one's by PSX. Thought it'd be cute for the 4th. And I lifted this one. Okay, this is the one. So it said, "Wish you may, wish you might have a day that's angel bright." And she had sent me this one because she had a double. So I thought that would be cute with this angel or any angels that you might have or I might have. So I picked that one. Hold on one sec, guys. One of the cats went out. Play-Doh, you're so silly. Oh, somebody wants in. Watch out, Luna. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. My hubby's home and he's sometimes loud. Okay, then I got this cat here. Didn't know about that one. And this cute little angel. That'd be so cute on the back of the card or inside the card. And another little kitty. And this cute little star with a button. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, and I picked out these. For You Are So Special to Him. And that one is a $19.99. I want to say it says Stamperia, but I'm not for sure. That's what it says. It says it on both sides. Okay, and then I picked this one out, The Lord Always Listens. And that one is J242, The Lord Always Listens. Okay, here we go. I don't know what that says. JDL maybe? Design. And then I picked out this one. I love this one. I think it's so cool. I have no idea. Okay, here it is. Let me show you. So it's a limited edition stamp and it looks brand spanking new. So it says Brad here. So this covers up your Brad. You put this on top of this one. It says here's the scoop. So cute. Well, it might have been used, but it looks brand new. And so it's by limited, it just says limited edition. And it says 2000, it has that number there, and it has a phone number. So love that one. And then, oh my gosh, what did I do with it? Are you serious? Okay. She sent me this punch. It's a basket punch. And it's by, who is this by? Punch Bunch. I'm so funny. I cracked myself up. So I got that one. And she sent me this stamps, which I was super happy about. So it's a super set by Dots. It's called Stitched, I guess. I wonder if it's open. I haven't even checked to see if it's open yet. You know what? Let's see if I can open it real quick for you guys. I haven't opened it. She taped it down for me. I guess it wouldn't spill everywhere. Okay, there we go, I think. Nope. Sorry guys, I didn't check before. Okay, there we go. So this is all what comes in here. Look at all these little cute stamps. Love the strawberry. Love the little sack with the, or the potted plant. The watermelon's so cute. The apple. You get a to and from, a joy, a thank you, a happy birthday, a sunflower. Love that. I love you. Oops. I love you. So you get a little bit of everything. A little birthday, some grapes, some balloons, some flowers. And this one says, made for you. So love them. A little flower right there. Some lemons or oranges, teddy bear. Look at that chick. Oh, I love it. So I love that set. Okay, and then guys, I'll save that for the end. No, I'll forget. I might forget. I don't know how, but I might. So recently she found one of these and she was so excited and ecstatic about it. And I was too. I was like, girl, you're so lucky. And she found another one for $5. So let me show you guys. I've been wanting this for years, but I refuse to pay the enormous, outrageous amounts they asked for it on eBay. So it's the Tab Punch from Stampin' Up. Isn't that awesome? She got it for $5. And I now own it. I love you, BFF. Thank you so much. So that is so cool. So, I love the way it is, and I've always wanted it. And I journal a lot for therapy, and let me punch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like if you don't know. So it punches like this, and then it just folds. You fold it. It's better when you have your little, but isn't that cute? It's gonna look so cute on my little journals to, if I need a page to flip to. But anyways, I'm so ecstatic about that. Okay, and then she sent me a whole bunch of lace and trims. Let me share. I'm sorry it's getting long, but you know all my videos are. Okay, so she sent me some beautiful laces. So she sent me this one. It's really pretty. I'm not gonna take it out of the bags because it'll just take too long. And she made them so neat. So I got this one. It's so pretty, little ruffle with the eyelet. Very pretty. I love this one with the white and pink on the edge. It's so dainty and delicate. I love it. Okay. And then she sent me this one. And I like the thinner ones. I'm okay with some of the thick ones, but I love the thin ones. But some of the thicker ones are nice to have too. But it's so pretty, look at that. Okay. And then she sent me this one here. Very pretty. Okay. And this one has like gold in it, like, what do you call it? Like a metallic. It's so pretty. I don't know if y'all can really see that. It like glistens. It's so pretty. Okay. And then she sent me this white one with the hearts. Isn't that cute? And then she sent me this one. It's beautiful with the roses. And then the flowers below. Very pretty. And then this one is gorgeous and perfect for fall or autumn. And the color's pretty. Love that. And then this one in this color. It's like a mocha, or not a mocha, like a, I don't know, like a latte. Very pretty. And this one right here. So pretty. And this one with the silver. And you don't really see lace that much with silver, so that was really pretty. And I like silver. So. And then she sent these bows. And I really love them because you can cut them apart. And she ironed these. She ironed for me and her. That was so sweet of her. Thank you so much, Tina Bean. And then I loved it. Love this. She got me some baby rickrack. So she got me some in green. And I was thinking to use them on Gingi's. So she knew I wanted some. And she got me some in the off-white. Some in the white. And then some in the pink. Love it. So that's everything, guys. Tina Bean, thank you so, so, so much. BFF, I love you to pieces. And guys, thank you for watching. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye-bye.